Hey guys, it's Tina here. Welcome back to another episode of Tina Tries It. In today's episode, I'll be trying out eyebrow extensions in a bottle. If you haven't already, make sure you click subscribe below to stay updated with future videos. Recently, Vogue Korea posted up this video on their Instagram featuring the Reallyy's eyebrow extension. A lot of you guys have been tagging me in that post asking me to try it. So as soon as I saw the video, I jumped online on, I think it was Beauty Box Korea. That's where I found this product. And I ended up paying like close to $30 US for the product and shipping. So I feel like this is pretty expensive. Mind you, if you were in Korea, I'm sure it would be much cheaper, but buying it online, it was expensive. This is what the packaging looks like, and it says this is an eyebrow extension. It contains microfiber. It's long-lasting eyebrow extension. Contains Swertia herb extract, which is meant to be moisturizing. And it says it's water resistant. On the video that Vogue Korea posted, you just pretty much like apply it onto your eyebrows. I'm guessing you have to have clean eyebrows, no product on it. So that's what I'm gonna do. But first, let me show you what it looks like in the bottle. This is the packaging here. It says Reallyyy eyebrow extension. Love the name because Reallyyy, is it eyebrow extensions? So when you unscrew the top, inside is this like goopy black sort of like slimy product in there. So that's a mixture of the clear gel with the microfiber, I guess like hairs. It doesn't really fill up the whole jar, it's more like half the jar. On the tip here is the brush. Oh, let me pull this plastic off. So that's a little brush applicator that you get with this product. It's just like a flat brush, nothing too special. Let me grab some of this and show you on my hand. Oh, it's so slimy. Oh, it's disgusting. Gross. Look at that. Ugh. So if I just pop it on my hands, oh, gross. So as you can see, there's little hair-like fibers in the gel. To be honest, I don't know if this is really gonna work because the hairs kind of go in all directions. To be honest, I am not too keen about trying this product. I just feel like looking at it, it is going to be a big fail. All the hairs are kind of like going in all sorts of direction. It is not looking sexy on my hand. So what are the chances of it looking good on my eyebrows? Probably like zilch. Nevertheless, I will take one for the team and try this baby out for you guys. I swear the texture is just so gross. It's just so goopy. So here is my natural eyebrows. I've actually been trying to grow them out so they're a little bit more like, I guess, bushier. I feel like thicker eyebrows and, you know, just more of that natural eyebrow is going to be in, and I kind of like that look. So I've been growing my eyebrows out. This is what they look like. I am going to attempt to place some hairs on the sparse area, so probably towards the end. Okay, here goes nothing. Oh. Is it on? I think I placed it on. I can see a little bit of a difference. I just look like I have really wet eyebrows. Okay. Oh, I think I just put a blob too much. Oh God, oh no. Oh no, what do I do? Like, push it back up. Ooh. It keeps coming off. I don't even know what to do. Like, am I meant to like dab it on? Oh no. This is a disaster. This is not looking good. This is not looking good. What if I just add some here? Oh no. Oh no. What have I done? Wait, let me try to fix this real quick. Oh no. Oh no. No. Not really working out, but I totally expected this. This is definitely not a miracle worker. Actually, if you got this thing to work, you would be a miracle worker. This is the opposite of eyebrows on fleek. It's like eyebrows on flop. It's so bad. Like, just take some of those hairs off. This is not working. Look, I'm gonna let this side dry and then I'm just gonna go again with this side. Maybe it's just, you know, my shaky hands and it's my first time doing it. I'm not getting the hang of it. I'm gonna go again on this side. Okay, let's give this product a chance. It just looks really bad. It's making my brows look even patchier because you can't get the consistency right with this thing because it just goes wherever it wants, really. I'm just gonna try to spread what I have there, smooth it out. I'm pretty much taking all the hairs off now to make it look better. It's a no for me. It's just not working, guys. This is a disaster. I don't even know who came up with this product. Actually, the little swatch on my hand is completely dry now and it's not even moving. It is on there. I feel like this is probably like a gel. Okay, look, I'm just gonna let this dry. Hopefully I can kind of like spoolie it into place. Oh my God, it's so crunchy. Wow, it is crunchy. I'm just pretty much brushing it all the way. Like, there was no point to this. I mean, it looks a little bit better, but really, I cannot go out like this. Look at, what is that? Like, what is that? Get off, get off. I think this is as good as I'm gonna get my brows. They're totally not even. I look like I haven't done my brows for like years and it just feels so stiff and crunchy right now. From a distance, it kind of looks a little bit better, but I still have really bad eyebrows on it. Like, I'll give you this, it does look like I have a lot more hair, or my eyebrows do look bushier, but this is not the look that I'm going for. This is a disaster. Really, really, someone made this product and I can't believe I bought it. Oh gosh. Guys, I think this would be the worst eyebrow product ever made. Like, there was those eyebrow stamps. They were bad, but if you got a good shape, I think it could work. But this is just bad on another level. This is ridiculous. Do not waste your money on this product. It is not good. Now, time to rate this product. It is getting a big fat 0 out of 10. This is, like I said, the worst product ever made for your eyebrows. However, I feel like I could find one use for this. If I was doing some Halloween makeup and needed like a beard, I'd use this product because look, like, it stayed on. It doesn't even budge. And you could totally space out the hairs to create a beard. That's the only use I could think of for this product. Let me know your thoughts on this. When you saw the Vogue Korea video, did you think that this product would actually work, or do you think it was just a big flop and it was a gimmick? Let me know below. Well, that is it for this episode of Tina Tries It. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's episode. I hope I made you guys laugh or something at least, or laugh at me, not really laugh with me. Either way, if it made you smile, please like and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, that's it from me. I'm gonna take these bushy eyebrows off and try to save my makeup. I'll speak to you guys next time. Bye.